Hi guys, it's me, Nestle Gaming, and today I'm back in the Roblox. I got sent to prison for being a toddler. Yeah, and I think it's supposed to be here. So sorry Mega, bye. I'm leaving. Yeah, no. So give me the gun. Now I'm going to sleep. Can't. Well. Alright, let's go. Hold on. Never mind, I'm not gonna wait for her to choose a car. So we're gonna run now. Let's go, Mega. Yeah. Run. I'm gonna go get my weapons. Okay, so I got my weapons. And it's time to head out. Gonna go kill some cops. Okay, so we just said escape. Bruh, why'd you just leave me? You can still I'll drive. Yeah, I'll just drive. You drive. There. Drive. Okay, I'll drive. I'll drive. Technical difficulties. Never mind, we're good now. The frick? I guess I have to walk. I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay. Frick. Okay, I'm there now. Now time to get in. And it's really very hard if you don't have a key card. Open up. Where'd that go? Oh wait. I'm gonna go wait for Mega. Here, just go through a gate. Here. Get out. I'm not gonna get out. Here, I'll open the gate. Oh no. Here, go get in. Yeah, we died. So we're gonna get our weapons again. Oh, there's a fellow cop. There's a fellow criminal. Why are you shooting me? You guys know how to get in. You just go in from here. And then you gotta wait. Oh, free time, free time. Guys, get up here, get up here. Let's go to the yard. Since it's free time right now, we can go into the yard. There's gonna be some people there. I wish I was on PC, but I'll see you guys once I get to the yard. I am here now, but there is a cop. So that's killer. Where is the cop? Hello. Good job, I should die. Okay. Prisoner, what are you doing? Oh no. Alright, I reset kid. Okay, apparently. How did we even. What? I got a key card. Bruh, stop! I have a key card. Oh, I'm gonna run. How did I got arrested? Hard, time to escape. Alright, it's not this way. Gotta go. Never mind. Get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Yeah, good job for me. Bruh! Oh my gosh. Hello, sir. Hello, bacon hair. You are not good. You killed the last guest. Bad. I was talking to him. Alright. Okay then. Apparently, it's the end of the video. So, I don't want to die. Alright, so sadly it's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what I should play next. I have a few suggestions. No Roblox or Balloon Star Defense. What else? Or something else. You guys pick. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.